students, in the last video we saw the basics of the equation. Okay, now in this video we are going to continue with the equations. That is the second part. Let us solve the following equations. Here the first equation is 10m minus 7 equal to 13. As we saw in the last video, to solve the equation means to find out the value of m so that left side and right side will become equal. Okay, you are going to put the value of m. In place of m, some number should be kept so that left side and right side will become equal. Okay, but it is very difficult if you try to find out by putting up the value. You will start with 1, 2, 3. Don't know how many values you need to calculate. So instead of that, we are going to do the another method. We are going to simplify this equation. Okay, means how you are weighing the articles, that is how you take the sabji or something, vegetables. So that what that person try to do, that person try to do the equivalent the weight, दोनों weight जो है बराबर करने की कोशिश करता है. So the same way we are going to make the equations equal. Okay, see here now. This is a 10m minus 7 plus, here it is given. I want to cancel this 7 from here for making the weight equal. So if I want to make this equal, for minus 7 I have to do the plus 7. So adding 7 to both the sides, I am going to get this way 7 will get cancelled. Okay, so means what is going to happen, this 7 and 7 will get cancelled if I added the plus 7. So that is 13 plus 7. We are going to simplify this equation so that only m will remain one side. Means we are going to isolate m. m को सबसे अलग करना है. m के साथ जो भी नंबर्स है, मीन्स वो वेरिएबल के साथ जो भी नंबर्स है उनको हम एक एक करके सेपरेट करते जाएंगे. ओके, नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. Now what is happening, you got here 10m is equal to 20. Now this 10, I don't want this 10 with the m. So I have to again make it equal, ki m is equal to, I want something. So for cancelling this 10, what is the option is, I have to write in the denominator 10. If you know, this is a multiplication, 10 multiplied by m is there. So if I want to cancel the multiplication, opposite operation, that is a division, I have to carry out. So both the sides I am dividing by 10. This 10 and 10 will get cancelled. I will get only m, that is 1m, and this is 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. So I am going to get m is equal to 2. Okay, now how to check these questions, this means answers, you can check on your own. Okay, in place of m, if I try to put 2, what is happening? 10 twos are 20. 20 minus 7, what is the answer is? 13, right? So I got left side, right side equal, means my answer is 100% correct. See the one example. This is I am solving with the different method. You can use the another method also. Okay, here if I can see minus 7a. So let us, if I want to make it positive, so what I have to do means what, this 7a I want to shift from right side to left side. Okay, I want to cancel this 7a from left side. If I want to cancel 7a, what I have to do is a plus 7a. Correct? Now, here also I am doing the plus 7a. So this 7a will get cancelled from left side and I'll get the right hand side, one I'll get the 7a. Now I got this equation, 16 minus 2 equal to 7a. How I got minus 2? I am cancelling this 2 from this side. So now I want to tell the another step, ki every time you don't have to show this cancellation, you can just show the calculation to one side. Means I am shifting this 2 to the left side. Okay, when I am shifting this 2 to the left side, some changes will occur. You are subtracting 2 from both the sides. So here we are not showing the subtraction, directly we are showing the subtraction to the left side. But while now teaching, we can use the word that 2 is shifted to the left side, it is going to become a negative. So 16 minus 2 equal to 7a. This is my next equation. Next step. Now I am getting the 14 equal to 7a. And now I want to find out the value of a. This 7 I have to take below. This is 7 multiplied by, if I want to cancel it, I have to divide. Again, I am not showing the division here. Directly I am showing to the left hand side. So this 7 is in the numerator. It will go in the denominator if I take them left side. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So again my answer is A equal to 2. Again let us cross check it. 16 minus 7A. A is 2. 7 twos are 14. 16 minus 14, I got 2. So it's correct. One more example. 5x minus 11 equal to 4. Now I am not going to cancel from both the sides. I am going to cancel only from one side. Means I am doing the calculation to one side. This is minus 11. So I have to add 11 in that. So I am taking this 11 to the right side. So it is going to become plus 11. Actually we are cancelling this minus 11 from left side and bringing them to the right side. Okay. So what is going to become 5x is equal to 15. Okay, this may be easy for you because for writing all the steps it may be difficult, but you should understand the concept. Okay, now this is I got 5x equal to 15. Now I want to cancel this 5, so I have to divide by 5. So here 5 is gone, so that is 5 upon 5. But here I am going to get 15 upon 5. So answer is 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So x is equal to 3. Correct? Now again put the value here. 5 threes are 15 minus 11. I am getting the answer 4. Means my solution is correct. Now one more example. 10 equal to 2y plus 5. Now 2y के साथ here 5 is there. So I want to cancel this 5 from the right side. So let us shift it to the left side. Do the subtraction. Okay, subtract 5. So what is getting 10 minus 5 equal to 2y. Now I want to shift with this 2. 2 also I don't want that. So I am taking 2 also to the left side. So it is going to become 5 upon 2 equal to y. Now you cross check it on yourself. I have shown here, but you also do the cross checking. So you will get that answer is correct or wrong. Now see more example. Here both the side you can see the terms are given with the x. What is the first work? I want that all x terms together. Means all the x terms I want on one side. Okay. So what is the option? I am taking this 3x to the left side. So 6x minus 3x minus 1 equal to 8. This is the first step I am going to get. Okay. Here what is actually I have taken 1 also to the right side. This 1 I have to shift to the right side. Because one side I want the alphabet, that is a variable, and one side I want the numbers. So I have shifted this 1 to the right also. In one step only I have done the 2 step. You can separate them if you don't understand, or if it is confusing you can separate it into the 2 step. Now you will get 3x plus 1 equal to 8. Sorry, minus 1. 3x minus 1 minus 1 equal to 8. Okay, this I have done directly. So now 3x is equal to, I got 9 because 1 is shifted to the right side. So x is equal to 9 upon 3. So x is equal to 3. Here one more example. 18 minus 1 equal to 16 minus 9n. Okay, generally I tell to the student ki where there is a bigger n, bring the smaller one there. But purposely I have shown this with a different method. Means doesn't make the sense ki what you are changing. Okay, anything is not depend upon ki which variable you are changing, or are you changing the numbers, or from which side you are taking. The sign should be correct. Whatever you are changing or shifting, that changes in the sign should be correct. So minus 1 I have kept as it is. The number which you are not shifting from left to right or right to left will not change the sign. Mark in this step, many students will make the mistake because they will write instead of minus 1, they try to write the 1. Because we think that the first number cannot be negative. Many students think about like that. And by hurriedly, they'll write it as a 1. All the sum will go on wrong. So whatever the changes will happen only to those terms which are going to change from one side to the other. So -1 will come as it is. 16 you are shifting to the left side. Therefore, it is going to become -16. Same way, -9n, we are not shifting anywhere. We are going to copy as it is. But at n, I am taking them to right side. At n, I have taken to the right side. So that's why it is going to change the side. I hope everybody understand that. Ki whatever you are going to write as it is will come with the sign as it is. So it is going to get -17 because both the numbers are negative. Add them and give their common sign. Same thing here. 9 and 8n. Add them, give their common sign. I can cancel minus here also, but I have done something different. -17 upon -17 is equal to n. Now here -1, 1 I am going to get here and n equal to 1. Now how to check this now? So if I put n equal to 1 here, what I am going to get? 8 multiplied by 1 minus 1. What is the answer I am going to get? 8 1s are 8 minus 1 7. And see here 16 minus 9 multiplied by 1. 16 minus 9, again I am getting 7. Means my answer is 100% correct. This is a one more example, that is 2 into bracket x minus 4 is equal to 4x plus 2. Okay, here also you can solve it with a different method. You can take 2 this side and divide both, but we are going to do with the simple one. Just expand this bracket, multiply these 2 with the both the term. I will get 2x minus 2 4s are 8. 4x plus 2 will remain as it is. I am shifting this 4x to the left side. ऐसा ही करना है क्या? तो not necessary. You can shift 2x also this side. In the previous slide I told कि what you are changing is not important, but the sign is important. Okay? Whatever the sign is there, that is the important. कि what sign you are changing and what sign you are doing the calculation. Okay? So what is the next thing is going to become? 2x minus 4x. Okay, that is understand. Now 2 is already there, that I have written as it is, and minus 8 I am shifting to the right side, so it is going to become plus 8. So 2x minus 4x will become minus 2x plus 10. X is equal to 10 upon minus 2, so that is divisible. X is equal to minus 5 is the solution. Now you cross check this in your book. Below that write verification and do the verification. If you got left side right side same, yes, you are correct. Here also the same thing. Just open up the bracket first. 5a plus 5. Remember, you are going to multiply to both the terms. If you multiply only to a, and if you forgot to multiply to 1, then also it will not be correct. So 5a plus 5 equal to 74. 5 I am shifting to the right side. 5a is equal to 74 minus 5. So 5a is equal to 69 and a is equal to 69 upon 5. Now 69 is not divisible by 5, so we will keep it as it is. Okay. See one more now. We'll see the word problem. Read the question. Rakesh age is less than, that is these 2 words are important, Sania's age by 5 years. These 3 words are very, very important. First you have to think in your mind ki whose age is smaller and whose age is bigger, and actually write it using the symbol कि राकेश age is smaller than Sania. ये reading आपको आना चाहिए इंग्लिश का कि राकेश age is less. This is a less than Sania's age. Then we'll see about the next one. Okay, so we'll consider actually generally who is the smaller one. We'll consider the alphabet, or bigger one, doesn't make any difference. If I consider the bigger one, I have to do the subtraction. If I consider the smaller one, I have to do the addition. I am considering Sania's age BM. Actually one word should be there, present. You are always talking about the present ages. Okay, so I want here the present age. Okay, so let us Sania's present age m years. तो राकेश एज इज 5 years लेस, राकेश उससे 5 साल छोटा है. तो उसका एज कितना हो जाएगा, m-5. And understand the condition. Read 2-3 times the question and understand the condition. The sum, actually the word is not there, I missed that word. The sum of their ages. What is sum means? Sum means total. तो उनकी एज की टोटल है 27 ईयर्स. दैट इज द कंडीशन. ये एक कंडीशन आपको दी हुई है, उसके हिसाब से आप सॉल्व करोगे. तो सम ऑफ देयर एजेस, सम मीन्स व्हाट, इसका सानिया का एज, राकेश का एज, इनकी टोटल है 27. This is 1m, this is one more m, they are going to become a 2m. Minus 5 equal to 27. Now how to solve this? 5 I am taking to the right side. So it is going to become 2m is equal to 27 plus 5 equal to 32. So m is equal to 32 upon 2, that is 16. m किसका एज था? तो सानिया का एज 16 था और राकेश उससे 5 साल छोटा है. तो 16 minus 5 will give you 11. Now see this example. Virat made twice as many runs as Rohit. Who made the more runs? Read this sentence and tell me who made the more runs. Okay, correct. Virat made the more runs because Virat made twice, means double run as the Rohit. The total of their score is 2 less than a double century and 2 a double century. 2 run कम बनाए. तो how many runs did each of them make? So Virat's runs are more than Rohit's run. Suppose Rohit's runs are x. So what is the Virat's runs? Double means 2x. Twice means double. Under than this word. Their total runs 2 less than a double century. 2 less means minus 2. Double century means 200. So 198. And their total runs means 2x, that is Virat's runs, plus Rohit's runs is equal to 198. So 3x is equal to 198. And now if I want to find out x, 198 upon 3, so that is the 66. Means Rohit made 66 runs, whereas Virat made 132 runs. That is 66 multiplied by 2. Now when planting a forest, the number of jamun tree planted was greater. Number of jamun tree planted was greater than the number of Ashoka trees. Which trees are more in number? So jamun trees. Okay, jamun trees are more than Ashoka trees. By how much? So by 60. Okay, so let the Ashoka trees be m. So what is the jamun trees are going to become? m plus 60. जो छोटा है उसमें ऐड करने के बाद दोनों बराबर हो गए, करेक्ट. या जो बड़ा है उसमें से माइनस करने के बाद दोनों बराबर हो गए. तो नंबर ऑफ जामुन ट्रीज इज इक्वल टू m plus 60. All together there are 200 trees. Means what? m plus 60 equal to 200. m plus m 2m plus 60 equal to 200. 2m is equal to 200 minus 60. 2m is equal to 140. So m you are going to get as a 140 upon 2, that is 70. Number of Ashoka trees are 70. Ashoka trees are 70 and number of jamun trees are 60 more than that. So that is going to become 130. Okay. Now next one. Shubhangi has twice as many 20 notes as she has 50 rupees note. मीन्स उसके पास 50 रुपीज़ के जितने नोट है उसके ट्वाइस मीन्स आई टोल्ड डबल नोट 20 रुपीज़ के है. ऑल टुगेदर शी हैव 2700 रुपीज़. ओके, तो लेट द नंबर ऑफ 50 रुपीज़ नोट बी A, B, C, D, whatever alphabet, because they are less, and the number of 20 rupees notes are going to become double of that, so 2A. Okay, if I said 50 rupees, one note is there, how many rupees you get here? 50 rupees. If there are 2 rupee notes of 50, so you will get 50 to the 100 rupees. If there are 3 notes of 50, you will say 50 is the 150 rupees. If there are A notes of 50, you will say 50A rupees. Same way for 20. 20 rupees one note is there, so it was 20 rupees. 20 rupees 5 notes are there, so 20 5s are 100. If 20 rupees 20 notes are there, so 20 multiplied by 20, that is 400. Now 20 rupees 2A notes are there, you will get 40A rupees. तो 50 रुपीज़ जो है उसकी अमाउंट कितनी होती है 50A. 20 rupees what is the amount is 40A, and all together that amount is 2700. Means 90A equal to 2700. You can cancel 0 here also like that only, and so A equal to 30. Means there are 30 notes of 50 rupees. Okay, तो ये कितने हो गए 20 रुपीज़ के नोट, डबल ऑफ दैट मीन्स व्हाट 60 नोट्स ऑफ 120 रुपीज़. नाउ 60 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 20 कितने पैसे हो गए 1200 रुपीज़. एंड 30 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 50 कितने नोट्स हो जाए कितने पैसे हो जाएंगे 30 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 50 you will get 1500 rupees. All together that is 2700 rupees. Okay, means we got the correct answer. Next one, 135 chocolates are distributed among few students. Again I am talking about the few students, I don't know exact number. Each one will get 7 chocolates. Find the number of students. Let the number of students be D. Now 135 chocolates are distributed. Distributed means divided. So 135 are divided among D. So everyone is getting 7 chocolates. So how to get now? So D I have taken this side and 7 I have shifted to the left side. So 135 upon 7 equal to D. So D is equal to 15. So the number of students were 15. If 135 chocolates are divided into 15 students, so how much each one get? 15 sevens are 35. So each one will get 7